If you want to block always relay calls in x.com or Twitter, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few clicks. This is a simple privacy setting that can help you control how calls are handled on your account, and once you turn it off, you'll stop using that relay feature. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open x.com or Twitter and make sure you're signed in to the account where you want to change this setting. On the left-hand navigation bar, click on More. This is where X hides a lot of its extra account options, including privacy and security settings. From the menu that appears, click Settings and Privacy. Once you're inside Settings, look for Privacy and Safety and click on it. This section controls your account visibility, communication settings, and several other privacy options. Next, click Chat. This is where you'll find messaging and call-related preferences for your account. Inside the chat settings, look for the option labeled Always Relay Calls. To block it, simply toggle it off. Once the switch is turned off, the feature is disabled, and your call routing preference has been updated. That's all you need to do. It only takes a moment, but it gives you more control over your X or Twitter account settings. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.